If you're trying to lose weight and you really want some fish and chips, I've got the reduced fat version for you today on Kitchen Guy, and I'm going to start by making the tartar sauce. I've got a cup of reduced fat mayonnaise. I'll add in a couple of tablespoons of chopped pickles, some of the pickle juice, some chopped capers that I've rinsed and drained, a little bit of shallot, and some lemon juice, and just a dash of Worcestershire. And I'll mix that all together until it comes into a sauce. Now I'll make a topping for the fish, and that's 3 slices of whole wheat bread that I'll tear up and put into my food processor and make some fresh breadcrumbs, lay them on a sheet tray, and then toast them in a 400-degree oven. Now I've constructed a dredge here consisting of some of the tartar sauce, some egg whites, a little cayenne, lemon juice, some parsley, and then I will dip the fish first in flour that's been seasoned, then that liquid, and then finally in the breadcrumbs. We're only going to do one side. And then my oven's at 450, and I will place them in a pan that I've lightly sprayed. Now I also oven fried some potatoes by lightly spraying them with cooking spray and laying them out on a sheet pan. And here they are with that beautiful piece of fish and the tartar sauce. The recipe is yours if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website on the address shown on your screen and look for the Kitchen Guy icon. I'm Chef Jim. Thank you so much for watching the tastiest 2 minutes in television. It's Kitchen Guy, and I hope you'll come back and see me next time.